The NBA is in Mexico. The Thunder versus the Brooklyn Nets. The 76ers just agreed to trade Okafor, Stauskas, and a 2019 second-round pick from the Knicks to the Nets for Trevor Booker. Let me know what you think of that trade in the comment section below. Thunder fans, usually they're not very happy with Roberson, but he's gonna throw down a poster. If he was throwing down posters like that more often, maybe Thunder fans wouldn't be so mad. Westbrook pulls up from mid-range. Now he's driving baseline, gets that layup to fall off the glass, and they can't stop Westbrook in Mexico. He's hitting mid-ranges. First half was all OKC, but in the second half, still plenty of time in this game. The Nets gonna start making their comeback. They start putting together a run, down by 1. Inside the paint, a dish. So now the Cavs with the Nets getting Okafor, that's a pretty good trade for them, I think. As Westbrook knocks down this 3, they got their 10th win, but last season they didn't get their 10th win until the month of March. So who knows if this pick is going to be a top 5 pick. The Nets take the lead in Mexico. Another 3 in the corner and won a 4-point play. Uh-oh. The Thunder are in trouble. Dinwiddie throws it down. The Nets take down the Thunder. Look at all these sad faces. Disappointing. That's another pick. Rusty, take it to the house. Oh, what a spin move. The ankles. Oh my goodness. He's got it. He's taking no spin. Why would you spin? Oh, they can't bring him down. Touchdown. Are you serious? Night Train Lane